Welcome everyone. We've got a sweet old 1900 tear out today. We got Kevin on our hands. Sweet house. I talked to the property owners and cleared it with them before coming out here, and I suggest doing that. Anybody that comes out to do these tear outs and whatnot. But we got a target. Let's check it out. Right here. Look at that face in there. Sweetness. Sweet, right on. All right guys, worked our way around back. Sweet house, built in 1901. I know there's a blacksmith shop back here. It was modernish. I talked to the guy a few times trying to metal detect. He ended up selling, and that's how I ended up getting permission here. But let's check out this this target here. Right down in here. Looks like it is a, what is that? It's a V-nickel. 1897 V-nickel. 1800s coin, baby. Sweet. All right guys, got another target here. A couple targets. I think a marble came out. Let's check them out. Right here, it looks like this is a piece maybe to a sash buckle. So sweet find. We'll put it in the pouch. And then this might be a Bennington or a clay marble. Big one. Sweet find. All right guys, got another target here. It's pretty sweet looking. Check that out. That looks like maybe a door knocker or something. Pretty cool. Sweet relic. Right on. All right guys, got a coin here. I haven't checked it. Let's check it out. I think it's a wheat cent. Yep, it's a wheat cent. 1930 something, 1930 something S. We'll let you know in the wrap-up video. Right on. All right guys, got a sweet button. Let's check it out. Down in this hole here, it's scooped out. Looks like a woman's button. It's got flowers on it. Then it's got the shank on it. It looks like, you know, I'd definitely say this is 1800s and maybe turn of the century. So, sweet little relic. Right on. All right guys, we are back on the old house tear out site today. Used to sit right here. As you'll see in the video. I've been working this for probably an hour and worked this whole area up front here, all this area through here, and haven't found anything. You know, wheat penny, 40 something wheat. I did get a Bennington marble from the 1890s. Let's see if we can pull it out. I'll show it to you guys in the wrap up, but beautiful marble. It must have been inside. But there's a certain area here that we're working, and it seems to have a lot of stuff in it. I just got something pretty cool, so I'm going to show it to you how it sits. It's in the excavator track, right over here. Let's check this out. Where is it? Hope I didn't step on it. See if we can re-find it with this. Let's see if we can find that. Where is it? Okay. Where was that? Okay guys, look right in here. Oh, it's just a 74. It's not even silver, but it's a half, so. All right guys, welcome to the wrap-up video. As you can see, there's a lot more stuff here than what was in the video, and I made a few stops by that house. It's kind of close to where I live, so I went there probably about 5 or 6 times. We'll start with the finds here. This bottle is pretty cool. This is going to be a 1880s, 1890s. It's a slick, well, probably a medicine. And we got a, this is probably, I'd guess this is probably 20s or 30s ink. And these were off the top of the fence, the iron fence. This is kind of neat, piece to a lock. Pocket watch pieces. I believe this is some pieces of a sash buckle. This medal here, this is a Royal Crown Breast Star medal, and I think it's from like Prussia or Germany. I don't know if it's authentic or if it was made afterwards, but it looks pretty old. And we got the key plate there to the door. And this is one of those old master lock keys. The older ones will have a lion on them, little valve key. And right here, this is a silver spoon, sterling right there. So pretty cool silver spoon. And we got another old copper spoon. That's pretty old. Old Tootsie toy here. We got a buckle. We got some marbles here. These marbles date from different periods, probably all about to the 1930s and 40s. I believe this one and then this one here, there was a concrete pad they pulled out, and I think they're Benningtons, just like this one, and that'd be 1890s. This one's a really good looking Bennington, shiny. This one's really cool. I haven't seen one like this. It's kind of got some gold in it. And then I think this is like furniture hardware right here, these two pieces, but look how cool that is. Way cool. And then we got some buttons here. This is a really old button here. like maybe some flowers on it, sunflowers. The shank on the back. Pretty cool. And this is actually a little medal from like a 1938 Boy Scout jamboree. And you can see this is, I got into their fire pit that they had in the backyard and started digging around in there and found that, and that's where I found the bottle too. There was other bottles there, but most of them were broken, and I was making a lot of ruckus with the neighbors. I didn't want to upset them too much. Here's a this is a lipstick. This is all the Clad. And this is from the trick. You know, the neighbors saw me around and they were asking me what I was doing, and I told them, you know, hey, you know, I've talked to the developers. Yeah, when you see that in the last clip in the video there, they were probably sitting in their house getting a pretty good laugh at me as I got the camera. And then this is the Clad coins, all the modern coins. And we got some wheat pennies here. And most of these are going to be, I think they're from there's a few from the 30s and then 40s and 50s. And these are like clock innards. And I think that's just about everything except we got the V nickel. Check out that V nickel. 1897. Pretty sweet old coin. At least I got one. But yeah, I think that's everything, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. And you know it. Till next time. Happy hunting.